In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Me Plus lifestyle app. So if you've been experiencing any problem with your app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem for once and for all. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot or to solve any issue related to your Me Plus app. In the first method, we shall need to access the app information page, and to do so, just go to settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using an Android smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Under apps, look for the option called manage apps. Sometimes it might be all apps or more apps depending on the smartphone that you are using. Now, this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using this search option here. Once you find your app, go ahead and tap on it, and then this will open the app information page. You can now troubleshoot it from here. However, if getting to this app info page is quite complex for you, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, and once you find it, just long press on it, and you'll see these three options: share, app info, and uninstall. If you tap on app info, it will again take you to the same app info page. At this point, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of the accumulation of cache data. Now, when we talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you use these apps to enhance user experience. But the problem is, the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, go ahead and tap on clear all data here, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then okay. And as you can see, our cache files have been cleared. Go ahead and restart the smartphone and then open your app, and now it should be working. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and proceed to the second method, and that you'll need to also again to come to this app info, and then this time around go ahead and click on clear all data, and then okay, and this will go ahead and clear all the data, and then you'll have to log in afresh. However, if this second method didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method, and that is you'll have to access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. So if I tap on Play Store here, I'll search for Me Plus app, which is here, and then look for any option called update. Now, if you see here written update, it means you are using an outdated version of Me Plus app. Go ahead and tap on it to update it to the latest version, and then once you are done, now you can open it. Now, by using any of these three methods, your app should be up and running without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.